Good morning. It's another beautiful morning. And this morning, I'm going to be making about two dishes. One is plantain. I'm going to cook plantain a different way. Now, ordinary, if somebody see this, they say, oh, this got to go in the trash. But no, your plantain is soft and it is ready, y'all. So I'm going to be baking some plantain and I'm going to be frying some plantain, but not in oil, in a little butter. So those are the two dishes that I will be cooking with these plantains. Okay, so now I have my plantain ready. We're going to bake these. And if you notice how I've cut the ends off and put them in a baking dish. And so now what I'm going to do is cover them with foil. And then we're just going to put them in the oven for about 30 minutes. And they will be so tender and so sweet. Okay, you all, the plantains stayed in the oven about 45 minutes. And look at them. I just took them out the oven. How you know they're ready is because you can see how they're beginning to open and see how it's fizzing a little bit. When you touch them, it's pretty hot. When you touch them, oh my God, they're so soft. You all, let's listen. This is the most healthiest way to cook plantain. They are so sweet and healthy. You don't have to use that oil and fry them. It tastes much sweeter this way, to my opinion. But oh my God, so healthy and so tasty.